Now let's work with the basic commands in MongoDB. First, create the database. Use sampledb will create the database and will open the database for us. In traditional SQL, database contains different tables, but in NoSQL, database contains different collections. So let's create the collection. In order to create the collection, there is a create collection command available. Within that, you need to provide the name of collection. So let's create collection called as employee. After completion of the collection, you need to insert some data inside it. So in order to insert some data, db dot collection name, that is employee in our case, dot insert command is available, and within this insert command you need to provide the data. So let's provide some sample data for an employee. But if the command is quite huge, so it is better suggested to type this data into a notepad or any other editor and then paste that data into this shell prompt. So from here onward, if the query is bigger, what we are supposed to be doing is we'll create the command in the notepad and then paste it here. So it has created the employee with some sample record. How to see this data? db dot collection name, that is employee, dot find will search the data, and it is as good as select star from employee in traditional SQL. Apart from whatever data we have inserted, one more additional data is there, underscore id, which is the automatic generated number. Now the data that we have just seen is not easily readable. So what we can do is, there is a pretty function which displays data in some organized manner so that it is more easily readable. So we'll see some more commands in future. Stay tuned.